This, my friends, is the craziest fix I have ever seen for a problem with electronics. I found it on a video for a different Teclast tablet, and I tried the same solution on this Teclast T40, and I'll just show you what happened. Here we have the pry tools you need to remove the back cover. You're not flexing the screen, so you're not putting the screen in any a risk of cracking it, as long as you're careful with your pry tools around the edges. Now, I've literally just done this. So oh, I've taken the rear case off using the pry tools. And then I'll immediately saw this connector here. In the video that I watched, that I'll put a link to, all the man did to fix it was remove this connector from the port, leave it a few seconds, and push it back in. Now, the video that he made is in Indonesian. I had to translate all the comments in order to work out exactly what it was that he was doing, because he also removed the digitizer cables that are under here, and he actually removed the battery. That would only apply if you needed to replace the battery or there was a problem with the digitizer. All that was done to fix this and get it to boot past the Teclast logo was to remove this connector, which I pried out very carefully with the pry tools, because under here, let's see. Wow. Bear with me a sec. Right. Under here, we have, under this bit of tape here, we have the power connector from the battery, and then we have two cables there coming from the digitizer. Do not disturb those unless your digitizer is having problems, in which case you might want to do the same thing, which is there's little clips on them. You can like unclip the clips, pull out the little ribbon cable, put it back in and reclip it. All I did was move this back here, bit of tape, stick it kind of onto the roll of itself, and then I just like gently used my fingernail and a pry tool to remove this. Waited a few seconds. I know this like the video is not great, but and then literally plugged it back in, turned the tablet on, saw the Teclast logo come up again, and it's been doing this for like several days, nothing. I thought it was completely dead, the circuits were fried. I've seen lots of people have this problem, because I've been researching it like pretty intensively, and finally found this guy's video for a different model, and it's the same issue. All I did was take that little cable battery connector to the motherboard here, remove it, replug it, and unbelievably, it's ridiculous, but where's the power button here? Okay, sorry about this, I've got my phone in my hand. Yep, there we go. It's actually freaking working. It was not working before, but I didn't know the fix would work, and I didn't, well, I don't know how long it will work for, but now I know that that is a potential long-term fix without having to buy replacement parts, new battery or anything, so I'm going to leave it at that. Hopefully someone will get some benefit from it.